Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Pro. Today in this video we're going to be going over how to configure OBS for recording. In the last video I made, I showed you all how to set it up for streaming onto YouTube or Twitch. But in this video we're going to be going over setting it up for recording so that you can get the best possible quality for your YouTube videos. Let's get started right now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and actually open up our settings right here. And inside of our settings, there are a few things that you might want to change. Let's first come over to the video tab here on the left, and you guys can see these settings right here. Let's go and come over here to the output tab on the left now. In the last video I showed you the streaming tab, but in this video we're going to be coming over here to the recording tab. And inside of here, make sure you have your output mode set to advanced so that you have access to all these settings. And we're actually going to go ahead and tweak some stuff. For our encoder, we're going to go ahead and make sure we're using our graphics card for the encoding. Now, if you do not have a graphics card, then you can use your CPU, or if you have an AMD graphics card, you can use the AMD encoder. However, I highly recommend the NVIDIA encoder because you're going to get the best possible performance and quality. So I'll drop some links down below if you want to go and check out like a cheap, NVIDIA graphics card just for the encoding, but that's completely up to you. There's no need to rescale the output or set up any custom mixer settings. These are all just kind of OBS default, and it's completely fine. For my rate control, I have mine set to CBR, and I've gotten a pretty good experience with that. For the bitrate, 6500 is a pretty good mid-ground between, good performance and high quality. But if you want the best possible quality in your recordings, 10,000 is the maximum that I would go. For the keyframe interval, you can just set it to 0. That's going to make it auto, and that's what you want. For my preset, I have mine set to quality, but if this is causing problems for your computer, you can simply lower this down to performance or max performance, and those are going to get you a lot more performance in your games. For the profile, I have mine set to high. This is one of the smaller things. You can set it to baseline and you're not going to notice that much of a difference, so that's kind of up to you. For the GPU, this is how you select what you want to be using for encoding. If you don't know which numbers your graphics cards are, you can open up Task Manager and you guys can see GPU 0 is my main graphics card, and I have GPU 1, which is my secondary graphics card. And those numbers are going to be corresponding with these ones right here. So GPU 0 would be my main graphics card, and GPU 1 would be my secondary graphics card. Set your max keyframes to 2, and you're basically done. There's really not much else you have to do. It's super simple. And that's really it. OBS should be perfectly fine now. It should be all configured and ready to record. Go ahead and give it a try, and if you're experiencing any problems, drop a comment down below and chances are I'll have a fix for it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.